meteorologist Darren Peck. Pretty nice day, Darren.
Pretty nice couple of days coming our way, Liz. It gets a little more interesting by about Monday of next week. It's going to get noticeably cooler. There's even a chance of a light shower. But first, let's start off looking at Tuesday afternoon. Clear skies. It was a bit breezy this morning, but the winds have really kind of calmed down and turned off now for the most part. So if you take a look outside now at the numbers, we're in the mid to upper 50s. Daytime highs today will warm up to right around 60 in Fremont, 64 in Santa Rosa, and 63 in San Jose. If you look at the winds, while most of us don't have any, look at Mount St. Helena. There's still a 30-mile-an-hour gust up there. It was up around 50 just about an hour and a half ago. So these are still offshore winds that are still coming over the mountains. They're acting to dry out the landscape a little more, which during fire season is a big concern. For right now, it's actually kind of beneficial because it will get the ground a little less saturated than it is, and it'll help reduce that risk to more downed trees the next time we get a major wind event. Watch what happens over the next few days. Big picture shows us the offshore winds still coming at us from the northeast, lighting up the bright colors over the North Bay Mountains, especially on Thursday. Thursday morning might have a bit of a wind chill on it. Temperatures will actually be relatively warm, though. So let's look ahead to things that are more interesting. When's rain coming back? Well, we can see the leading edge of the possibility for that already when we start to look at the long-range forecast. We switch this into the futurecast. You don't see anything here over the next couple of days. I've gone all the way to Friday. There's nothing happening from now till then. But if we come in for a close-up look at this, you'd think we'd be looking out here for our next storm, and that's the wrong place to look. We have to look over here because the storm track's going up and over a big dominant ridge of high pressure right there. So the storms have to go up, down to Canada, and then come our way, and that's exactly what's going to happen as we get into Sunday and Monday. There goes one that falls apart. And then as we get into early next week, this is Sunday and Monday of next week, it's a little too early to try and get too specific on just how potent that storm's going to be. How much rain is it going to have? Likely not a lot. If we look at this in terms of rainfall accumulations, this would be kind of bracketing mainly Sunday night into Monday, a couple hundredths of an inch of rain. We'll also see a little bit of light snow in the Sierra from this again. Primarily, that's like Monday, throughout the day on Monday. And it's not much. It's just, a couple hundredths of an inch of rain. There's more promising opportunities for rain after that once we start to get into early February, but we're not there yet. So here's the 7-day forecast, and you'll see that we've got just a increase in clouds as we get into Sunday and Monday. Maybe a couple hundredths of an inch of rain on Sunday and Monday. It just doesn't look promising to really start punching up that rain chance yet, but we're going to keep a close eye on it, and we'll have more on it as we get closer to it. For now, Liz, back over to you.